The Element is a beautiful one-story home with plenty of space. It features a 2-car garage, up to 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, perfect for those who need plenty of room to spread out.
Hi, I'm Sasha. Welcome to The Element by HHHunt Homes.
As soon as you step inside, you'll notice the open concept design that makes The Element feel bright and airy. The kitchen features a large center island, perfect for cooking or entertaining, and a walk-in pantry for all your storage needs. The kitchen and family room flow seamlessly together, providing plenty of space for family gatherings or hosting friends. The formal dining area offers a degree of sophistication for dinner parties. Welcome to the primary bedroom, featuring a spacious layout with an optional tray ceiling and large walk-in closet. The primary bathroom includes a dual sink vanity and glass-enclosed shower, making it a luxurious retreat after a long day. This home also includes an additional bedroom, all with a spacious closet. This bedroom offers an en-suite bathroom. We chose the flex space option over the 3rd bedroom. This room can be used as a home office, playroom, or formal dining room, depending on your needs. The 1st floor also includes a laundry center, drop zone off the garage, and home buyers can opt into a bonus room like the one we set up as an office. Combining indoor and outdoor living, The Element includes a covered porch that can be screened in and optional patio. These provide plenty of space for outdoor activities, barbecues, or just relaxing after a long day. The Element model by HHHunt Homes provides the perfect combination of luxury and comfort, making it the perfect home for those who need plenty of space to live, work, and play.
To schedule a tour today, visit us at hhhunthomes.com. HH Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.